Hello, friends, and welcome back to A Cozy Lifestyle with Clearissa. Today's video will be week 2 of the series that I am participating in called Spring into Clean. Now, this series is spearheaded and hosted by none other than Miss Denise Jordan from This and That with Denise. And there are 9 other ladies, including Denise, that are participating in this series. And this week, we were challenged to clean either our bedroom or our bathroom. And I actually did both. So as you can see here, these are the ladies that are participating in the challenge. There will be a link to each of their channels in my description box below, as well as a link to the playlist so that you can watch and see what all of us are doing as we spring into clean. So without further ado, let's get started. I am going to set this to music because there's no need for me to explain. You know that I'm making a bed. You'll know that I'm dusting. I will pop in on occasion. So come on in and let's spring into clean.
Let's see what you can do. You think you're so damn smooth. You better think this through. So let's see what you can do. I know them all the signs. I'm a grown woman now. I don't like to waste my time, no. So don't try me one more time, yeah. I know you're disappointed that I'm counting you out. I want someone devoted, just the real stuff they count. Oh yeah, someone who's devoted to. Oh yeah, make me feel noticed, 'cause I deserve better. Ooh, I deserve it all. Ooh, someone that truly matters. Ooh, that loves no matter what. So tired of them guys thinking they got me figured out. You think you're good to go, yeah. But guess what? I don't think so, no. I know you're disappointed that I'm counting you out. I want someone devoted, just the real stuff they count. Oh yeah, someone who's devoted.
So friends, I'm popping in because I wanted to remind you guys that I did a deep clean of this room about a month ago where I cleaned windows and window seals and all of that. So I won't be doing that today. But if you did follow that, and I'll leave a link to that video below in my description just in case you're interested. Because since then I have changed curtains. For the summer I thought I would go navy blue and beige. I don't really do white, but I do an off-white. So I thought that was pretty with navy. So you'll see a lot of navy in the room for spring and possibly through the summer this year.
'Cause I deserve. You're the only one I think about, yeah. You're the only one for me. The only one I care about, yeah. Thinking about you day and night, yeah. You're the only one for me. I just wanna get it right, yeah.
Friends, I hope you're enjoying the video. It's coming right along. Bedroom is almost done. Then we'll be moving into the bathroom. But I wanted to take a minute to invite you, if you're new to my channel and you just stumbled upon me and you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button below. Once you do, hit that bell so you'll be notified of all upcoming content. This is a lifestyle channel and we do cleaning, as you can see here. We do seasonal decor as well as everyday decorating. We do upcycles, we do DIYs, shopping hauls. It's a lifestyle channel, and I like to say that what we do here is learn to live large in small spaces and on a small budget. So if that's something that you think you'll be interested in, as I said, come on in and join our family here. We'd be so glad to have you. And I'd like to ask you to watch the video till the end. That is really helpful for my channel, and I think you will enjoy it till the end. So if you can do that, please do so. And also, leave me a comment and a like. And if you feel that this would interest some of your friends, why don't you share the video as well? Okay, so let's get back to cleaning.
Baby, I've been thinking about the things we said. Oh yeah. And maybe we'd be better off being just friends. Oh yeah. It's getting kinda obvious what you want from me. Only calling when you feel alone. You make promises, then you let them go. So if you just wanna have my body, you better go find somebody else. Somebody else. It's getting kinda obvious what you want from me. Only calling when you feel alone. You make promises, then you let them go. So if you just wanna have my body, you better go find somebody else.
I would like to stop a minute, guys, and once again thank Denise Jordan of This and That with Denise Jordan for hosting this Spring Into Clean series. It's for the entire month of April, so we have 2 more uploads to do. Next week, you can look forward to cleaning out a closet or clothing declutter and purging, or if they're the young moms that are collabing have the opportunity to also clean out kitty toys and that kind of thing. Personally, I'll be doing a closet. Not much to do. I did a purge not long ago, but there's always something. So come back next week as well, and make sure that you check out all of the participating influencers who will be listed in my description box below. And don't forget to check out the playlist as well. Okay, back to work.
I will never leave you in the pouring rain, and no matter what we go through, love will still remain. So do what you want, baby. You and me in the sun. Know that I still be here when the day is done. So come a little bit closer, and I'll tell you what I feel inside. You know I'm gonna wait on you. I'm gonna wait on you. You know I'm gonna wait on you. Yes, I'm gonna wait on you. No one's gonna love you like I do. So glad that I found you. You're the missing piece, the last piece of the puzzle. I'm finally at ease. So when times are rough and the promises we make just seem so hollow and weak, and we're about to break, we have to remind ourselves, 'cause we know how we feel inside. You know I'm gonna wait on you. Ain't over till it's over. I'm gonna wait on you. I'm gonna love it till it's gone. You know I'm gonna wait on you. And the weight that's on your shoulder, I'm gonna carry that for you. So hear me
So my friends, we're getting close to the reveal, so don't go anywhere. I just wanted to pop in to remind you to find something today that brings joy into your life. It could be refreshing your bed and bathroom, like I did here today. But if not, find something that brings joy to you. And I'm going to leave you the way that I always do, with lots of love, hugs, and blessings. Friends, I want you to be happy. I want you to be loved. I want you to be healthy. I'll see you in the next video. Remember to stay till the end. And I'll see you then. Bye-bye.